Okay, I've been through a lot of awards winning website, and very few, in fact less than 10% of them have used this kind of text animations, and it implies that it's very unique. And at the same time, today I'll show you how easy it is to implement, and if you can implement it in your portfolio or any website that you have, you can elevate your design and you can stand out very easily. If you're new to the channel, I create front-end videos that will help you become a better developer. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Okay, let's start off with the implementation part. First, we are going to install Next.js. We are going to use TypeScript and Tailwind CSS in it. Now we are going to install GSAP and GSAP React so that we can use the text plugin. Let's open the code editor here, and at the same time let's run the server. Here we have the basic template as well as the code editor opened. Okay, now let's create a file named components, and inside this we'll create a file named text.tsx. Here we are going to implement the animation part. Let's import this text.tsx into the main file here. Let's import text.tsx. Right. Now what we are going to do is we will define certain things. Here we are going to implement the register plugin, through which we can implement or register some plugins. First will be the Scramble text. Next will be implementing use GSAP so that it can run here. And let's define it as client component. Now inside this text, suppose we want to implement the animation inside this div container, so we'll give it a class name of text effect, right? And then we'll call out use GSAP hook, use GSAP, and inside we have the callback function, and here we are using gsap.to and trigger which div container that we want to do the animation. And here we pass some animation values. For example, we want to do the scramble text, so we pass the scramble text, and which text we want to scramble, we'll pass this is our code, right? And apart from that, we'll pass a delay of 1 second. Let's try out this animation first. If it works out, yep, it does. If you want, you can change the values here also. It's not just capital, you can add small values also, and it will still trigger. I hope it's visible to you. And if you want to change the duration, suppose you want to add duration of 1 second, complete 1 second, let's see. Yep, it does. And if you want to add some more animation values, you can use the scramble text here as an object and then pass values. How? I'll show you now. Let's pass the values, for example, text as this is our code speaking. Copy that, whatever. And then we are passing chars as character that we want to trigger the animation. Suppose like the scrambling effect should only contain 2 characters, for example XO. So when we refresh it, only XO will get scrambled here. If you want some of matrix effect, you can add this 0, 1 as binary digits, and you'll get that matrix kind of effect. You can increase the duration also to see it much more, and you'll have this effect. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you found this video informative. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.